working at the grocery store. Maria works at a grocery store. She is a cashier. Her job is to scan items, take payments, and help customers. She enjoys her work because she likes talking to people. Maria starts work at 8 a.m. She wears her uniform and says, "Good morning," to her manager, Mr. Carter. He says, "Good morning, Maria. Let's have a great day." At 8:30 a.m., Maria helps her first customer. The customer has fruits, vegetables, and bread. Maria smiles and says, "Hello. Did you find everything you need?" The customer says, "Yes, thank you." Maria scans the items and says, "Your total is $15.50. The customer pays with a credit card. Maria says, "Thank you. Have a nice day." At 11 a.m., Maria helps another customer. This customer asks, "Can you tell me where the milk is?" Maria says, "Yes, it is in aisle 3. The customer says, "Thank you." At 1 p.m., Maria takes a lunch break. She eats a sandwich and drinks tea in the break room. Her coworker, John, is there too. John says, "It is a busy day, isn't it?" Maria laughs and says, "Yes, but I like it." After lunch, Maria returns to her register. A child with his mother buys candy. Maria says to the child, "Do you like chocolate?" The child smiles and says, "Yes, I love it." At 4 p.m., Maria finishes her shift. She tells Mr. Carter, "Goodbye, see you tomorrow." Mr. Carter says, "Great work today, Maria." Maria feels happy as she goes home. She likes her job and the people she meets every day. Key phrases for practice. Did you find everything you need? Your total is $15.50. Can you tell me where the milk is? It is a busy day, isn't it? Goodbye, see you tomorrow.